Hi, it's Treasure Goddess Christine, and I want to take you on a little virtual tour of my yarn studio. Come on along.
Okay, so this is the front room of my studio, which is amazing. I've got tons of storage, fabulous natural lighting. Oh my gosh, it's amazing. So whenever I work from home, which right now is a lot, I've got a little stand-up work desk, a little shipping station, a fabulous little couch settee to sit on, hang out, more storage, good stuff, motivational signs everywhere. Everything is all about the ships and the sea and the oceans and the pirates. So this is my front room, which I'm just amazed. I love it so much. Fabulous. Okay, so then my barn studio has an awesome bathroom where my husband put in an awesome, amazing work sink. I've got to stop saying awesome. Sorry, people. So I'm able to do all of my dye mixing in here. This, I love. Another fabulous motivational speech. I do try to love everything in my life. And everyone needs a narwhal on the wall, right? Absolutely. So this is where I'm actually able to do all of my water, my mixing of dyes happens right in here. And this is the back room. This is a 30-foot by 40-foot barn. I mean, it is amazing. So this back end has more natural lighting as I fall over. More natural lighting. This is my little fabulous Panda spinner, so every time I need to spin out water from the yarn, I love it. I highly recommend it. Here's my view out the side window. Is that amazing? So here at the table, I normally have it full of clean jars, but I've been dyeing a lot, so they're all dirty and waiting to be washed. Coming along here, I'm able to run 5 hot plates, so I usually have 6 skeins per pot at a time on this side of the room. And then over here is Bertha, my super fabulous 1960s, early 60s, late 50s stove, which is amazing. More storage, a little heater, air conditioner over there, and a whole other upstairs that we haven't even gotten to. Right now it's all blocked off to help keep my heat conserved in the winter. More amazing storage. It's absolutely amazing for me to have all of this room. Okay, new word. In here is most of my dyes. I mean, I just have a blast with this place. I have so much room to create and store. So over here, more storage, more good stuff. And over here is all of my undyed yarn stock. And then it goes on into the dyed. And so as I'm filling orders, I can pull down my tubs, go through it all. Right here is DK Luxe and a few other miscellanies. So I've got it full to the bursting of all of my yarn. And I'm very anal and I keep everything, lots of plastic inside of tubs, just to keep everything nice and safe from critters or anything that would even dare to come into my studio. So again, fabulous Treasure Goddess banner made by Terry for me, Fibertarian. Along here is more and more and more and more and more storage, and bikes, and more storage, and pirates, and more natural lighting. This front part is also blocked off, but I've got a whole nother garage area. It's absolutely amazing. So, when you're wondering where your yarn comes from, Treasure Goddess yarn, it comes from these pots right on these tables or on this Bertha, who is amazing. And even when it's really cold, I'll open up and turn on the oven. It is electric heat, and I'll have the oven open, helping me stay warm and cook it. So, I hope you've enjoyed our tour. And back out to my fun. I absolutely love it out here. So now that everyone's working from home, my virtual office for my real job is right here, buried under the yarn. It is Saturday, so we're good. Full of yarn and fun and hang out. It's really hard to leave and actually go over to the real house. So it's probably why my husband won't let me put the fridge out here, because I might never leave. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed the tour. Happy yarning. Oh, did you know I do stickers? Because who doesn't need a pirate sheep sticker? Really? Seriously? Is that amazing? And holographic. Woo, 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 woo. Absolutely amazing. Look at this cute little guy. Yarn. Put stickers on everything. I do. Okay, well, enjoy your day. Oh, I don't know if I highlighted Polly over here too. Thank you guys. Enjoy your day. Enjoy your knitting. Enjoy your creating, your crafting, your quilting, your sewing, your everythinging. Stay safe. Wash your hands. Have a good day. Bye-bye.